Now, world-renowned track and field coach Stephen Francis is raising concerns about ongoing efforts by track and field's local governing body, the JAAA, to change the date for the upcoming national senior and junior championships. Ken Rayner has been tracking this story.
The JAA's National Senior and Junior Championships are currently set for June 26 to 29. However, checks by TVJ Sports has revealed that the top brass of the JAA's are having discussions to change the date to between mid-July and the start of August. However, checks by TVJ Sports have revealed that the top brass of the JAA's are having discussions to change the date to between mid-July and the start of August. This primarily to have the trials closer to this summer's World Championships, which is scheduled for September 13 to 21. Our current trials date also clashed with the final leg of the Grand Slam track in Los Angeles, set for June 27 to 29. This could see contracted athletes who miss one leg losing up to 20% of their signing bonus should they choose to compete at trials. Now, one source inside the JAA's who spoke on condition of not being named indicated that they are going through the process with a decision expected early next week. Another track and field insider says consultations are to take place with the stakeholders in the coming days. But one of the nation's most successful coaches, Stephen Francis, believes a change of date will affect at least the athletes who compete in the American collegiate competition.
For example, I had spoken to the president and pointed out to him that while the date for the trials that the Americans use is good for them, having a whole lot of professionals and a very big base of athletes. In Jamaica, we rely heavily on college athletes. And our trial is normally 2 weeks after the NCs, which allows them to be in great shape and to come and compete. And if they are successful, then themselves and their coaches in college make arrangements to train during the summer. As I said to the president, look, without them being on a team, those coaches are not going to be around. So we're going to have nearly half of our potential pool of athletes way out of shape and certainly probably not even here.
The NCAA's International Championships is set for June 11 to 14 in Eugene, Oregon.
What we don't want is for somebody to be running 11 flat at NCs and turn up at the trials on 11.8 or 11.7 or 11.6 or whatever it is. And so therefore that is why it is imperative that we have developed this thing over the years. There cannot be any harm for it to remain. I mean, it's from a developmental perspective. You know, it's fine, maybe fine and good for Americans who really don't need their college people. But we do, and you know, so those are the kind of points which those people with the knee-jerk reactions don't understand.
Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.